Hi guys, this is Lara. So it's graduation day and it's currently 1:34 a.m. It's currently 2:27 in the morning. So ngayon naman ang gagawin ko is mag-makeup na ako. So for my skin prep, gagamitin natin itong aloe vera and yung sunscreen ko, nasa ba yung original ko. So ayun. So ayun, tapos na ako mag-kilay. Papalitan. So for my eyeshadow guys, itong brown lang yung gagamitin natin. Okay na yan.
With the theme, University of Rizal System, Empowering Graduates for Global Excellence in ASEAN Leadership. Players remain standing for the entrance of colors by the URS ROTC officers.
Iiga na kami na sa Robinson ng photo.
Yemen
Pinalagpin na sa mula first floor hanggang last floor ng ano.
First College leads parents the 1,771 ng good vibes dahil sa achievement ka. Seeing you gives me hope. Seeing you
Pledge of loyalty to Alma Mater. With all sincerity and humility. I pledge my loyalty to my alma mater. University of Rizal System. With firm belief and good intentions. I uphold its ways of molding us. To be better citizens and be the pride of our parents. Community and beloved country. Believing that education is the greatest legacy. I shall always act according to what has been taught. To be worthy of its good name and reputation. I shall consecrate myself to the noble task. And to great ideals and dynamism for which the university stands. With the help of Almighty. I shall always live up to the expectations of our devoted mentors. And shall dedicate myself in the name of service. And my beloved alma mater. So help me God.
Ganyan muna kasi kakanta na rin tayo.
Our heartfelt congratulations to all our graduates. At this moment, let us listen with pride and reverence as the graduating class offers their graduation song titled Saranggola by Bennett.